So we just got a package back today. Looks like Tw1sted Development. It's got the ECU back. Get ready to put this bad boy in. I gotta take the bike on Saturday to go get the fuel injector replaced. So, but yeah, we got the ECU back. Injector needs to get done, and yeah, maybe we'll try and start it, see how it goes, even though it still needs an injector, but we'll see how it goes. So as you can see, the ECU is back from Tw1sted Development right there. So excited to see how this goes. So this is the Tw1sted Development first start new ECU updates. Let's see how this goes. She definitely sounds a lot crisper. Even just touching the throttle the slightest bit, you could tell night and day difference. I haven't even rode the bike. I'm gonna probably take it down inside the house, see how it goes. Still need to do the fuel injector just in case. All we did was put a new spark plug in, sent the ECU off to Tw1sted Development, and like I said, Tw1sted Development, Jamie over there has been absolutely unreal. He's put his time out there just to make sure that these bikes, he's went and bought his own bike, one of these, just to make sure that he can go get the mapping for them, get everyone out there, everyone happy, because he knows that there's nothing worse than when you buy a brand new bike and there's just, you know, them slight little mishaps that they have with them where, you know, it doesn't run right. You just can't enjoy the bike and you just spend all this money on it, you know. So I can't thank Jamie enough for being out there and trying to help all us guys out here on these new bikes, trying to make sure they're 100% crisp. So thank you, Jamie Ellis. Thank you, Tw1sted Development. You guys have been unreal, really great with the customer service, and yeah, can't thank you guys enough. She's good to go. She smells great and she sounds great, so I'm really excited. I cannot be more happy. So yeah, thank you guys a lot.